Question 8. We're given a Venn diagram that is incomplete. The missing pieces are here and here, and we'd be given all this information. We're told that all of the numbers that we care about, or that are in the universal set, the numbers 1 through 13. So a quick scan at all the numbers in the Venn diagram, and you will see that we're missing 6 and 11. So 6 and 11 are either both going to be in the purple section, both going to be in the orange section, or you're going to have one of each in either of the places. What actually, technically, from this question, the 6 and the 11 could go anywhere, but common sense is if they've left these blank, there's probably a reason for it. If we look at what is supposed to be in set A, 3, 7, 11, and 13, that means that 3, 7, 11, and 13 need to go in that circle. So straight away you would be inclined to think that 11 goes there. Technically, we don't actually know 100% where 11 goes, other than that it is somewhere in here. So I'm just going to make a note of that for now. 11 will be somewhere in there. Let's then, let me just make this a little bit clearer. Let's then look at set B. We're told that the numbers 3, 6, 9, 12, and 13 are going to be in B. So here we have 3, 12, 6, 9, and 13. 6 is the only number that's missing there, so you'd be forgiven for thinking straight away that 6 is going to be in there, but we don't officially know that yet. So let me just write that 6 is going to be in that green circle, but exactly where, as of yet, is to be determined. And then what's going to then kind of make it clear for this, or for exactly where each of them go, is the following. C is 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So within this circle, we must have 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 6, by nature of having to be in the green circle and having to be in the blue circle, is going to be here. Also, we should note that 6 is not within A. That's the reason why the 6 won't end up going in this bit here. So 6 we've now placed. And then 11. 11 did not feature inside B, so it's not in here. 11 did not feature inside C, so it's not in here. So in other words, 11 is not in the green circle, it's not in the blue circle, but it has to be in the red circle, making the only place for 11 to go here. Part B, list all of the members of the set B complement, so that's not B, and C. So in other words, we want to know what is inside not B, which I'll very quickly highlight in pink here. So pink, or actually there's an easier way of doing it. Let me just highlight all of these. All of these numbers that I'm highlighting in pink are not in B. And then C, all the numbers that are in C are here. So we're looking for what is both. I probably made a poor choice of color there. Let me just circle them instead in purple. So in other words, what numbers are highlighted pink and circled in purple? And it's going to be these 4 here, written in any order: 2, 5, 7, and 8. Next part, a bit more complicated. So I'm just going to clear the diagram here just so I can get colourful when it comes to showing all of the stuff that we're about to look at. I need to keep the 11 there, and I need to keep the 6 there technically though. So list the members of the set. The union of A and C, but the opposite of it. Alright, so the union of A and C would be this that I'm highlighting right now. The opposite of that is going to be the things that are not highlighted in purple right now. So I'm just going to make them actually purple. So all of this is what I've highlighted in purple there. And then that's going to be intersected with B. So everything that is, I'll circle this in green. Everything that is circled in green and coloured in purple, and that's going to give us 9 and 12. So 9 and 12 are the elements of that set. And then lastly, find the number of things, so that's the N here, the number of elements that's going to be inside, number of, not in A and not in B. So again, let me just clear this so I can draw this from scratch. We have not A. It's going to be everything I'm about to highlight in green. All of these things are not in A because they're outside of the A circle. And then the other one, not in B. I'm going to circle these again. Not in B are all of the following. So that, all of these. So the intersection means that we're interested in everything that is highlighted in green and circled in red. So we end up with all 6 of these things here, and the question's asking for the number of, which means 6. It's the number of elements that we have in there. Done.